Knoxville's most accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Been keeping a close eye on our Cumberland County camera here. This is atop City Hall. Sun has set now, still some cloud cover across the area, and we don't have any rain yet showing up here on radar, as you can see, but it's getting closer. Let's take a look. Let's go back here to the other screen. Wanted to show you that line of storms getting a little bit closer. Here's Cumberland County, this line of storms near Sparta, how it's bowing out like that. Could be some damaging wind gusts. We'll have to keep an eye on that. No active warnings at this point, but we're watching that. And then the line further north with some heavy rain that'll be approaching Fentress County. Now, there is a severe thunderstorm watch, which means conditions are favorable. We could see severe thunderstorms. That includes Cumberland and Fentress till 10 o'clock Central Time, 11 Eastern. Not going to last that long as this line's moving through pretty quickly. And once it moves through, you'll be done with your severe threat. But everybody, basically from Knoxville westward, under a level 1 out of 5 risk. So I still even think areas east of the plateau, probably right up to Knox County, has a risk of seeing some isolated damaging wind gusts through this evening. So let's take a look 6 timeline. I think it's done very well. Where we are right now, stop it at 9. You see it approaching the plateau, probably even a little sooner than that, then weakening some as it drifts east. But I would still say anywhere again from Knoxville to Crossville for anywhere from now through about 10 o'clock. That's our opportunity if we're going to see some strong to severe storms. This is midnight, and then we're just talking scattered showers, thankfully, overnight, 3 a.m. through 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Cold front pushes east. Still a few lingering clouds and showers up till about midday on our Thursday, and then we'll be done. We don't want the severe, but we do want the rain. Estimates we're talking about here through tomorrow morning, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch for most that see rain. There could be some isolated higher amounts, but there'll be isolated lower amounts as well. So for tomorrow, about a 20% coverage early in the morning on the plateau. Otherwise, kind of a cooler afternoon. We're talking low to mid 60s from Oneida to Jamestown, but getting a little closer to 70 there in La Follette. Southeast Kentucky, your rain chances end early. Clouds thin out after lunchtime. Low 60s there as well. Barberville, Williamsburg only at 61 degrees. Back down through the valley, what we're looking at is 72 for Knoxville, Maryville, and Sevierville is at 73. So about a 30% coverage. That rain lasts, as I mentioned, till about 9 or 10 a.m., and then we'll be done. But over into the Smokies, it may be closer to lunchtime before we see our rain chances taper off. And it's going to be breezy and cool in those higher elevations. 61 at Chimney Top, 73 Calderwood, 72 at Pigeon Forge. 7-day forecast for you as we get into Friday. Much quieter. A chilly start in the low 40s, but at least we've got sunshine in the afternoon. Clouds build through the day on Saturday. Should be fine for game time. 77. It's going to be warm, but rain chances hold off till mainly overnight Saturday into Sunday across the area. And then as we look into next week, I talked about this yesterday, much colder airs coming in. Mid-30s Tuesday morning, 50s for highs Tuesday and Wednesday, and by Wednesday morning at 34 degrees. I think there's a good chance we have kind of a widespread area that could see its first frost or freeze across the area. So something to watch for sure.
Good thing I ordered some new sweaters and sweatshirts.
You'll need